If you're using Lysol, Clorox wipes, or Febreze in your home, you're actually making surfaces dirtier than before you started cleaning. I'm about to show you the science behind why this happens and what professional cleaners use instead. First up, Lysol disinfectant spray. When it dries, it doesn't disappear. It forms a thin molecular film on your surfaces. This film has electrostatic properties that attract airborne particles, dust, pet dander, pollen. Everything sticks to this invisible layer. That's why your coffee table looks dusty again within hours of spraying Lysol on it. Professional cleaning companies use 70% isopropyl alcohol instead. It disinfects just as effectively but evaporates completely, leaving zero residue. Your surfaces stay cleaner 3 times longer because there's nothing for dirt to stick to. Next, Clorox disinfecting wipes. These contain multiple surfactants and preservatives that don't rinse away because you're not rinsing, you're just wiping. The surfactants lower surface tension and break up grime, but they also create a sticky film that traps new dirt particles. Plus, the moisturizing agents they add to prevent the wipes from drying out, those leave an oily residue that's a dirt magnet. A microfiber cloth is perfect for an alternative with a simple mixture of white vinegar and water. The acidic acid in vinegar breaks down grime and bacteria, then evaporates completely, no sticky residue, no dirt attraction, and surfaces stay cleaner longer. Finally, Febreze Fabric Refresher. This one's the worst offender. Febreze works by encapsulating odor molecules in cyclodextrin compounds. But these compounds don't disappear, they bond to your fabric fibers. This creates a polymer-like coating on your upholstery that acts like Velcro for pet hair, dust, and lint. That's why your couch seems to attract everything after you spray Febreze on it. Professional solution, Odoban in a spray bottle. Odoban neutralizes odor-causing bacteria and evaporates completely, leaving your fabric smelling amazing. Here's the key principle. Effective cleaning tips isn't just about removing dirt, it's about not creating conditions that attract new dirt. Commercial cleaners are formulated for immediate results in shelf stability, not long-term surface cleanliness. The chemicals that make them work in the moment, surfactants, preservatives, fragrances, they all leave molecular residue that alter your surface chemistry. You're essentially painting your home with invisible dirt magnets every time you clean. Here are 3 professional-grade alternatives that cost less, work better, and we use them every day in our clients' homes. Glass cleaner replacement. Use 2 capfuls of Yes Miracle Cleaner per 32 ounces of water in a spray bottle for a streak-free shine. Disinfectant wipe replacement. Swap disposable wipes for microfiber cloths sprayed with Odoban. Just mix 3 to 5 ounces per 32 ounces of water. This combo is reusable, leaves no residue, and is safer for most surfaces. Fabric refresher replacement. Spritz Odoban 3 to 5 ounces per 32 ounces of water onto fabrics to neutralize odors without creating dirt traps or sticky buildup. Make this switch and within 1 week you'll notice surfaces staying cleaner longer. Within 2 weeks, you'll be dusting and wiping down surfaces 40% less frequently. After 1 month, you'll wonder why you ever use commercial cleaners. If this opens your eyes about cleaning products, subscribe for more professional cleaning hacks that actually work. Subscribe and hit that notification bell so you don't miss our next videos.